Let me show you how I make air fryer roast potatoes. Super easy, no parboiling is needed, and they are ready in no time. So I am using baby potatoes because they are small and perfect for the air fryer. No need to peel them either. Just cut them into halves, or even better, cut them into thick slices to help them cook faster, as you can see me doing here. But first, let us sort out some simple seasoning. Crush a few garlic cloves with a garlic crusher. It makes it so much easier to mix with the potatoes later. Then finely chop up 1 green chili pepper, and if you do not want it too spicy, just take the seeds out. Mix the garlic and chili in a small bowl until it looks nice and combined. This will make sure the flavors are all mixed together and ready to give the potatoes a good kick. Now, sprinkle some salt over the potatoes, about a teaspoon to bring out the flavor. Add a teaspoon of black pepper, then throw in a tablespoon of red chili flakes. I know, we already added green chili, but I like my roast potatoes extra spicy. If you are not into too much heat, you can skip it. Then add a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning for that smoky, bold flavor, and a tablespoon of mixed herbs to balance everything else. Drizzle a couple of tablespoons of olive oil on top. Not too much, just enough to coat them. Now mix it all up with your hands or a spoon so every potato gets coated in that good stuff. This way, they are ready to cook up nice and flavorful. Now add the garlic and chili mix we made earlier to the potatoes. Give everything a good mix again so the flavors really come together and coat the potatoes. Now, transfer the potatoes into the air fryer basket. If your air fryer needs preheating, make sure you have already set it to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread the potatoes out as evenly as you can. Air fry the potatoes at 180 degrees Celsius for 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Halfway through, give the basket a good shake to help them cook evenly and crisp up nicely. If you like them extra crispy, air fry them for another few minutes longer, but keep an eye on them to make sure they do not overcook. If you like these super easy and delicious air fryer roast potatoes, then you will definitely want to check out how to make these deliciously crispy and healthy low-carb air fryer onion rings here. If you have any questions, just ask me in the comments below. I will be happy to help. And do not forget to subscribe for more delicious air fryer recipes.